Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to buy coins on Pora live and video chat application. So first of all, you need to log in your account, then tap here the right bottom corner on your profile, and then you can see this is the interface. So what you need to do, tap here the coins, this one, and then you'll get here couple of options like you can buy 200 coins, 500 coins, and 600 coins, 1100 coins. So there are a lot of couple of options. So what you need to do, simply tap on the like if you want to buy 200 coins, simply tap on this one. Once you tap on this one, then you have to input your card name, your month, everything. Once you're done, save the card, then you can purchase this coin. So this way you can buy coin, or you can research coin on Pora live and video chat application. So captain, today's no more. See you in the next video.